Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today, Chef is going to show us how to cook up some beef tips. No, Chef, beef tips. Oh, I'm going to get a call from HR. Beef tips. Simple dinner, couple ingredients, a little bit of cook time, and then it simmers, and you have a delicious meal. We think your family's going to love it. It's a lot easier than it looks, and we're going to show that to you. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get cooking. First thing you're going to do is pick up some beef stew meat at the store. It already comes packaged and cut up for you, nice and simple. In a larger skillet, go ahead and heat that up with a tablespoon of oil. And to make it easy, Chef said, take 2 pounds and put the 2 pounds of meat in. You're going to do these in 2 sections so you don't overcrowd. And Chef said you can cook this to your liking. You can cook the beef tips all the way through, or you can do medium rare. It's up to you. Chef believes he did medium, in case you're wondering. When they're cooked to your liking, go ahead and take them out. Put them on a plate to the side. Once all the beef has been removed, just keep the skillet the way it is. You can add a little bit more oil and then throw the other 2 pounds of meat in. Cook them as well. Again, you don't want to overcrowd. That's why he's doing it twice. And now go ahead and take those out. And what Chef's going to do now, he's going to clean that pan nice and fully. Throw another tablespoon of oil in there. He's going to cook some onions up. So you're going to want to get a medium onion and make sure it's nice and chopped up. And throw that in there. Now you don't want to cook this too long, Chef said. Just a couple minutes. You just want to start to cook them. You don't need them brown or black or anything. Just a little bit, he said. After several minutes, go ahead and put all the beef in. All 4 pounds. Next up, you're going to add your beef broth. And don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed down below. Alright, next up, you're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. Man, I can never say that after 5 years. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And then, just go ahead and add some onion mix. This is like a dry onion mix. We aren't sponsored by Lipton. Unless they see this video and want to. Put a bay leaf in there. And then just stir this in and make sure everything's nice and mixed together. Okay, Chef said to bring this up to a boil. Once it's boiling, bring it down to a simmer and put the lid on. So only have it boiling for like a minute or so. Put the lid on, put it on simmer. Perfect. Now you're going to want to stir this every so often just to make sure everything's moving around. It's going to simmer for 1.5 hours. Okay, so it's been about 1 hour. Chef's going to give it another stir. Things are just going to start to thicken up a little bit. And this would be a perfect time for a dance break. This is why Chef only gets the corner of the kitchen, because everyone else takes up the whole kitchen. Poor Chef. Okay, so it's been about 1.5 hours. Chef's going to go ahead, put in a small bowl some water, and then some cornstarch. And give this a stir until it's fully evaporated right into that water there. Mixed in is the correct term. Fully mixed in. And then you're going to pour this right into the mixture there. And this is going to help thicken it up. This is going to help make your gravy a little thicker, that mixture. And then you just want to stir this around, because the more you stir it, the thicker it will become. Alright, go ahead and take your bay leaf out. Give it a few more stirs. And then you can turn your heat off at this point. Chef's going to go ahead now and plate this up for you. Looks like, again, he made his homemade mashed potatoes on us. Oh, we need that video, Chef. So Chef went ahead and put some tongs on it. Use some tongs to plate these up, and he's going to tell you why. The tongs are going to make it easier to plate up, and then he said use a ladle, and then just go ahead and put that gravy right on top like that. It's so much easier this way, and it looks professional. And it does. It's delicious. Okay, Chef said to go ahead and chop up some fresh parsley, put that on there. Adds a little bit of color, a little bit of flavor. And there you have it. End result. Beef tips, gravy, mashed potatoes. Oh boy, I'm hungry again. This meal was delicious, and it was really simple to make, as you can see. Doesn't take long, a little bit of simmer time, but that's it. Definitely try this. We think the family will like it. It's a nice hearty meal, and the leftovers are just as delicious. Thanks again, everyone. If you're new, check us out, subscribe, check out our other videos that we posted, and don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.